everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy steamed asparagus dish. Alright, we're at the stove. I have one bunch of asparagus that I've washed, trimmed the tough ends off, and cut into roughly bite-sized pieces. And then I have a large pot here that has a tight-fitting lid and a steamer basket in there. I've placed some water in there, enough so that the water won't go dry, but so that it will not come above the bottom level of the steamer basket. So now I'm just going to turn the stove on high and bring that water to a boil, and then we'll go from there. My water is boiling. I've got some steam coming up here. So we're going to put these in the steaming basket, and we're going to let them go for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. It really depends upon how much you want your asparagus to cook, and also on how big the stalks are. So I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes and check it at that point. My timer has gone off. It's been right at 3 minutes, and I'm just going to check this out with a fork. And actually, that's exactly how I like it. It's a crisp tender. So I'm going to get these out of here right away, put them in a serving bowl, and we're going to dress them up a little bit. I would like to add a little bit of fat to this. I'm going to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You could add a tablespoon or two of melted butter or melted ghee, either way. Or you can leave it off. You know, it's your food. You can have it your way. Now I want to add a little lemon to it, because lemon always goes well with a lot of vegetables, but also asparagus. I've taken the seeds out of these lemon wedges already, and I'm just squeezing this over there. I'm going to actually do the juice of 2 lemon wedges on this. Now I'm going to add a little salt. This is just a taste. I don't put a lot, but I put some on there. You can add some pepper if you want. Now I'm just going to give it a toss. And now I've got some sesame seeds here, and I'm just going to sprinkle those over there. You could toast the sesame seeds if you want, and I will have instructions for all of this in the description box below. You have a lot of options with this. There we go. Now that is steamed asparagus with lemon and sesame. Give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye!